Back at it with another one. I didn't pull a video of me pulling the wheel off and doing the rotor, but another little Honda here. I got another coworker that I'm helping out again. He was having the worst squeal ever. I should have recorded the squeal. It was pretty bad. I wasn't gonna do him like that though. But this is my boy Harvin. I'll get him in the video next. We in this bitch. Harvin in this bitch. We one side down. Now we over to this side. About to get this bitch off. We gonna see how this bitch go. Let's see. Hey Harvin, how far were you gonna go? That's all I want to know. Like, how far were you gonna go on these? Yeah, I don't know. Where's the pad at, Harvin? Where's the pad?
It's cooked.
That one's just literally is sheared off. I want to get that out. Just like that. Just double check the torque specs on the back of the caliper bolts, and on top of that, about to go ahead and torque the wheel back on, and we'll be all set. Talk about a good day. Bro came over here, middle of a snowstorm, to get the whip fixed. Real life. I can't make this up, y'all. Also found out I got a torn meniscus today. Your boy's still going in. So if I could do, you can too. Don't be out here acting soft and scared. Do the work. Have fun. Enjoy your life, because ain't nobody else gonna do this for you. Never trust a torque wrench, because it has no sense. And now back to my clapped out madness. I am here doing my wheel bearing that is pretty much effed. So we got the tie rod out, wheel off, caliper off, and now we're about to get the lower control arm nut off. I got the 18 here, and we'll see how this goes. Let's see. Come to find out, no wheel bearing. My rear control arm mount was loose. The bolts backed out, I guess, from vibration, because I do got like polyurethane mounts for motor mounts, so I guess over time it backed out. Tighten the bolts up, no more play. I'm about to get the control arm back mounted up, and we'll see how it goes. The whole control arm was making a clunk sound, so I guess that was the sound I was hearing. We'll see how she drives. There was no shake in the wheels, though. We'll see. There was only vibration coming from that clunk, I guess. We're about to get her back together. The XI lives another day. My clapped out coilovers. Subscribe so I can get some more.